Hemingway wrote, "Paris is a movable feast," and I couldn't agree more.
I remember his poster. It was in the fall and said, "Eat grapes now or wait another year."
It's wine, it's bread. We are the country of the good life.
Yes!
It's a cheese treasure.
So Salictea, it's a creamy cheese with a lot of character.
It's like a woman's skin.
Like the wings of the butterfly.
Cheese. Cheese.
This is President Wilson Market, and it's one of the most famous markets in Paris. It's always about food. Whenever you're sitting down to a meal, you're either talking about the food that you're eating, the food that you just ate, or the food that you're going to eat.
How does this not make you hungry?
It always makes me hungry.
So we've got asparagus with sabayon.
Sabayon sauce.
We've got a beautiful salad, a steak or côte de bœuf.
Côte de bœuf.
Côte de boeuf.
And a chimichurri sauce.
And pommes frites.
Magic French fries.
Wow.
Perfect.
We're in Paris, France. Next on a Moveable Feast with Fine Cooking Magazine.